Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Aura frame shows that it's connected but still isn't working properly, like not displaying new photos, freezing, or not updating, it can be confusing because everything appears to be set up correctly. This kind of issue usually happens when the connection is technically active, but the frame isn't syncing or processing data the way it should. It could be due to app glitches, sync delays, outdated software, or minor system errors that interrupt normal operation. The important thing is to not assume the frame is faulty, because in most cases, the fix is simple once you go through a few checks. By refreshing both the app and the frame, you can usually restore full functionality. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix this issue and get your Aura frame working smoothly again. Try these. Step 1. Restart the Aura frame by disconnecting and reconnecting power. Step 2. Open the Aura app and check if the frame is selected correctly. Step 3. Refresh the app or close and reopen it to connect data again. Step 4. Ensure the frame is connected to a stable and working Wi-Fi network. Step 5. Update the Aura app and frame software to the latest version. Step 6. Upload a new photo and check if it appears on the frame.